What if nothing is wrong with you? You're just going through something heavy right now. And what if you don't need to fix your whole life today? You just need something small to hold on to. In this video, I'm sharing comforting ideas and my personal reflections from the Comfort Book by Matt Haig. This isn't a typical self-help book. It's a collection of thoughts, reminders, and perspectives designed to help you feel a little less alone and a little more hopeful. The main message of this book is simple but powerful. You don't need to have everything figured out to be okay. Life is messy, emotions change, pain comes and goes, but even in your lowest moments, there is still something worth holding on to. One of the biggest lessons, it's okay to not be okay. You don't have to hide your sadness or pretend to be strong. Allow yourself to feel what you feel. Stop judging your emotions. Remind yourself this will pass. Feelings are temporary, even the heavy ones. When life feels overwhelming, focus on small moments. A cup of coffee, a quiet walk, a deep breath. Slow down your day. Notice small positive moments. Appreciate simple experiences. Small things can bring real comfort. It may feel like you're the only one struggling, but you're not. Many people go through similar feelings. Reach out to someone you trust. Talk about how you feel. Remember that others understand more than you think. Connection reduces pain. You don't need to have everything figured out right now. Life is not a race. Stop comparing your journey to others. Focus on your own pace. Give yourself time to grow. You're not behind, you're just on your path. Hope doesn't have to be big or dramatic. Sometimes hope is just, things can get better. How to build hope. Focus on one small thing you can do today. Celebrate small progress. Keep going, even slowly. Small hope is still powerful. Be kind to yourself. You are often your own harshest critic, but you deserve kindness, especially from yourself. Talk to yourself like you would to a friend. Forgive yourself for mistakes. Stop expecting perfection. The Comfort Book reminds us, you don't need to be perfect to deserve peace. You don't need to have everything solved to keep going. Even in hard moments, there is still light ahead. If this message helped you even a little, comment, "I will keep going" below as a reminder to yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need comfort today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.